workshops, what we do is we speak to students ahead of time, and we have them set up appointments and meet with counselors. And we also go over their career options. Typically, it's something to take them into the medical field and advance them. That way they can get their certifications and their licenses.
By HealthStaff Institute has been a blessing in my life. I was looking at different schools, and them funding me is helping me so much as a single mom, and I am getting through this with the help of everyone. I love the counselors, I love my teacher, and even all my other students.